Montgomery offers accommodations that fit the needs of every traveler. From made-to-order breakfast to extra room space, Embassy Suites delivers.
The gospel music of Alabama has influenced the entire world, and the Alabama Gospel Roots television show will give you a taste of this great music every week. So call a neighbor, call a friend, and get ready to sing and dance and clap your hands. It's time for Alabama Gospel Roots.
This may be my last time.
This may be my last time.
This may be my very last time.
This may be my last time.
It may be the last time we see each other.
This may be my last time.
It may be the last time we get
This
together.
may be my last time.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Thank you, G.
I don't know.
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 I
just don't know.
Oh, it may be.
It may be my last time.
It may be.
It may be my last time.
It may be.
It may be my last time.
My very last
Maybe my
time.
last time.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Thank you, G.
I don't know.
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 I
just don't know.
Oh, what a night, what a night, what a night. I tell you what, and we're all in blue, and we are doing everything but me singing.
oh yeah, time is right on spot.
Right on spot, all
Yes,
right.
sir, yes,
And I
sir.
think you already have requested it, right?
You're right, yeah.
And you will get it, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Reverend Dr. Andrew Cheirs and the Songbirds, welcome to Alabama Gospel Roots.
Thank you very much for having us, Brother George.
It's so good to see y'all. You know, when I see you, you're just family to me, you know. All the way from, what is that, Byhalia?
Byhalia, Mississippi.
Byhalia,
And
Mississippi.
Grand Junction,
And
Tennessee.
Grand Junction, Tennessee.
Yes,
welcome, welcome. Now, the group, this is a family group. How long have you really been singing together?
We've been singing together. Let me see. I'm 75. We started at the age of 11 with me and my twin sister.
Yes, and
So,
we appreciate
that's about 64 years.
Yes, sir. You good at math, man. I know you at the head of the class. I was hoping you to tell me to try to add it up right quick. All right. Well, introduce everybody right quick, okay? Because we got you here to sing.
This is my baby sister, Patricia. This is my first cousin, sister, and all of it, Priscilla. And on the bass is her son, Randy Polk.
Okay, and
Yeah.
you're Reverend Dr. Andrew Cheirs.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right.
sir.
Well, listen, we appreciate you in the state of Alabama. I know y'all are going to enjoy them even more as they sing some more for us right here on Alabama Gospel Roots. Thanks again for coming.
Yes, sir.
Now, come on, give us your best now.
We're going to do the best we can.
All right. Once
Yes, sir.
again, Dr. Andrew Cheirs and the Songbirds on Alabama Gospel Roots.
Well, the last 3 years has been some trying times with us.
Come on,
But the Songbirds have a made up mind.
say it.
We're not going to stop
Come on.
until the Lord said, welcome home. Going to keep on traveling
All right.
and doing God's will. And even though it may get hard sometimes,
Come on, say it.
we just got to keep on doing what we do to do. Randy, if you don't mind, will you tell the audience these words?
Tell me why it's a struggle
Say it, son, say it.
trying to live this life. A life of so many heartaches, miseries and strife. Preaching,
Randy, I don't have no clue And sometimes I know it
got
can
to
run.
run till I make it through.
We feel like giving up.
Finishing line.
But I want you to tell the audience that you got to keep
I
on going.
got to run on.
Somebody out there may
I
realize
got to run till I make
that
it
things a
through.
little hard on them,
That finishing
and they feel
line.
like giving up.
Come
But
on,
I want y'all to tell them,
I got to run on.
should I make it
I
through?
got to run till I make it through.
We go
That
down.
finishing line.
I gotta run on.
I got to run till I make it through that finishing line. Glory to God, glory to God.